Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. First, you need to meet the age requirement. Users must be at least 13 years old. To confirm your age, Roblox requires either a verified phone number or a government-issued photo ID. This crucial step ensures a safe and appropriate environment for all participants. Make sure your account details are up to date before proceeding. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, the next step is age verification. Go to your Roblox account settings and find the Verify My Age section. You'll be prompted to upload a photo of a valid government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. After that, you'll complete a quick facial scan to match your face to the ID. This process usually takes only a few minutes to complete. With your age successfully verified, you can now activate voice chat. Head back to your account's privacy settings. You should see a new option labeled Enable Voice Chat or Spatial Voice. Simply toggle this feature to the On position. Before it's fully active, you'll need to review and accept the terms of service for using spatial voice. This ensures you understand the guidelines for respectful communication. Now that voice chat is enabled, you can use it in compatible Roblox experiences. When you join a game that supports spatial voice, you'll see a small microphone icon above your avatar. This indicates that voice chat is active. You can easily mute or unmute yourself by tapping this icon during gameplay. Remember to always be respectful and follow the community guidelines while using this feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.